Welcome to section 5.6, the Medial hill skive, or otherwise known as the Kirby skive. Standardised at 15 degrees, you can read Kevin Kirby's 2009 paper on this technique. It's a good read. I find this and the thought process of these a really handy tool to describe the force of return that you want medial to the subtalar joint axis. Important to note that another really handy thing is to draw or indicate on the scans or casts the subtalar joint axis that you want, because that'll give the technicians an idea of the force control that they can have medial to that axis. Obviously, if it's lateral to the axis, it won't produce an anti-pronation moment. It'll produce a positive pronation moment. It'll roll the foot in. But again, medial heel skive at 15 degrees, how deep it is, and remember, this is all dependent on the space that you have in a curved space according to the profile of the heel and the height of your device. So if any of these conflicts, it will start to confuse the systems that we have, and then it'll hold up for your clarification on what you want according to the foot. Alright, so that's the medial heel skive. I'll see you on the lateral one.